Here's an educational cinematic video about Einstein's special theory of relativity. In 1905, Albert Einstein was working in his office at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. One day, while sitting at his desk, he began writing on a notepad what started out as a simple equation, E equals mc², would change the world forever. Let's take a look. Imagine two trains. One is stationary on a track, while the other is moving at near light speed. A passenger on the fast train measures the length of the stationary train using a meter stick. As the fast train approaches the end of the stationary train, it will appear shorter in length. This is known as length contraction. Since the passenger is moving at near light speed, time on the stationary train appears to be moving slower from the perspective of the passenger. This is known as time dilation. Let's make this more clear using a split screen. Here, we have two clocks. One is located on Earth and the other is on a spaceship that is moving at a high velocity. The clocks are synchronized. But as the spaceship moves away from Earth, the clock on the spaceship begins to tick slower than the clock on Earth. From the perspective of someone on Earth, time has passed more quickly than someone on the spaceship. Another key aspect of Einstein's theory is that the speed of light is constant. No matter how fast the source of light is moving, the light will always move away from the source at the speed of light. Here we see a beam of light being emitted from a source. Even though the source is moving at a high velocity, the light still moves away from it at the speed of light. Let's go back to our friend Albert. He's sitting at his desk writing the equation E equals mc², which shows that mass and energy are interchangeable. When mass is converted to energy, it is released in the form of light. In our final illustration, we see a glowing visualization of E equals mc². As the animation progresses, the mass begins to break apart into smaller pieces until it reaches a critical point. At this moment, the energy contained within the mass is released, causing it to burst apart in all directions. This burst of energy can be seen as the equivalence of mass and energy. Einstein's theory of special relativity revolutionized our understanding of the universe. It showed that mass and energy are interchangeable and that the speed of light is constant. These concepts have had a profound impact on our view of the cosmos and continue to shape our understanding of the world around us. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to check out my others. And if you really liked my work, you can support me on a crowdfunding platform.